Hello friends, Hastini Jobs YouTube channel no rachutana lamsugo fighting kesang kotal job ni notification nelainai IIFL samostani bisintina kotal branch manager and customer relationship officer duita post ni notification khorka omongka wall in interview ni bisintina tilangjaknai fighting kesang customer relationship officer ni bagai qualification class 12 pass kajangnai as limit ke 18 ni sime 33 years tei experience kre phananaro post ni bagai apply khamna tei MFI NBFC ने 1 year experience sanjak tongo branch manager ke graduate as nangnai 22 ni 30 years MFI NBFC ने 3 years experience nangnai wal in interview ni location jak tongo interview ni location tongo Agartala Bisalgor Udaipur te Bilonia location kaibre no lajaknai te Agartala location ni bagai interview ni date tongnai 11 tarik October 2022 te contact number jak tongo o contact number nara call khaino job ni details no sungai namana ta branch ni address ja tongo ro Dalesor road number 12 near Chandrapur Masjid Agartala Tripura pin code ja tongo o address no interview thangai marinai Bisalgor ni bagai der jak tongo 12 tarik October 2022 tarik no interview lajaknai contact number ja tongo te branch address ja tongo Jangalia Bisalgor Sipaijura Tripura pin number ja tongo o address thangai naro interview marinai Udaipur ni bagai interview ni date tongnai 13 tarik October 2022 te contact ja tongo o contact number call khainaro address ja tongo 1 number Fulkumari Canal Chumoni Udaipur South Tripura pin number ja tongo o address thangainaro wall interview marinai Bilonia ni bagai hinke interview ni date tongnai 14 tarik October 2022 te contact number ja tongo tainaro contact number call khaina job ni details na kamke sungmano village South Barachandra Nagar post office Bilonia district is South Tripura pin number jato go tainaro o address thangaina wall in interview reimana tainaro interview ni thangporo loge document langna nangnai update exam omongka biodata form kaise fill up khlaina te loge document Aadhaar card PAN card photo driving license 10 to last qualification certificate nangnai te last 3 month inke jara experience tongnai rongni bagai salary slip and experience letter loge nangnai nei sajak o mahai document loge tilangai naro wall interview maranai interview ni time reja tongo foro 9 ni simi 3:30 jora norok ni interview rajak nai ni sajaka inke friends norok jara interested candidate tongnai te norok location te date nai na norok interview ni thangbai di o mahai norok kotal job ni notification naina bagai Hastini Jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai support khaide te norok e channel ni bisingtina kotal job ni notification nogoi manai।